everybody, welcome back. So today's video I'm going to do a little bit of a recap, just reusing the Urben Decay Beached palette today. I already have my foundation on powder and I have contoured. The foundation I'm using is the, let's get it, Cosmetics Color Correcting Illuminating Full Coverage Cream with SPF 50, and then I have powdered with Laura Geller Balance and Brighten in medium. It's not exactly my shade, but it kind of gives like a bit of a glow. I kind of really like it. And then I just contoured with the Park Avenue. So I'm just priming my lids with Millennium eyeshadow primer. I do like the e.l.f. one a lot, but this is just the one I have and I'm using it up, so we're gonna see it a lot, especially when we're doing shadow. So I'm going to go in with the Park Avenue Princess palette and just take the color Enhance. I really like this for lids, for a lid color, because I'm already going to use it, so it's like two birds with one stone kind of. And I'm going to just kind of carve out my brows a little bit, like I do, and then I'll just take a little bit on. I'm going to take the color Daybreak. It's like the only matte in here. So I'm going to take that and I kind of want to just blend it all, like put it on the lid and blend it upwards. I saw some, like, you know how there's like, I feel like the terracotta orangey colors are really in now, so I kind of saw some photos and I saw a look that I was like, I want to recreate that. So if you have this palette, then this will help. Alright, now I'm just really like working on blending this out. This is the same brush I used to apply it, and I've just been using my washcloth. Like I always say, I don't have one of those color switch things because I don't find it necessary, so I'm just blending it out with this brush I got from some, I think it's from some box. It's a C433 Pro Blending Fluff. I'm not sure where it's from, it doesn't say. So alright, this is a BH Cosmetics, just like a dome, kind of like a concealer brush, but I'm going to take the color Heat Wave and I'm going to place that into the crease. But really, like, the reason I like this brush is because it kind of really pushes it into the skin and blends it really well into your eyelid. And so I'm going to use that and put it here, kind of more out, like on the outer place, so that it will like be more uniform with the wing liner. And I'm going to go back in and place a little bit more of that Daybreak color onto the lid because I really want that color to be there. If that's my wording. Alright, I'm going to take like a small, like maybe a small concealer brush or shadow brush. This is just a Wet n Wild brush, and I'm going to take the color Blaze, and it is right here. And I'm going to just tap my brush into there and put this on the inner corner. Just lightly. I'm not going to bring it in too far. I'm just going to place it there just a tiny bit. Alright, I think that we're getting close. I'm going to take a little bit of salt and take that same brush that I used for the inner corner. Take a little bit of this and then dust off like some, and then just kind of pat it here in the center of the lid just to kind of brighten this up just a tinge, because that color that we placed before, Daybreak, will still be there. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and line with my Wet n Wild Pro Line and then apply these lashes from Kish. They're the Shy Lashes. I got a big giant thing and I will be right back. So I have applied my lashes and I did apply my Essence Get Big Lashes mascara. And then I put on this color. It's called 16th Street. And I put that under on my lower lash line. And I set my under eyes with my IT Cosmetics Celebration Foundation Illumination, and it is a foundation, but because it has that illuminating quality, I think it looks really nice on your under eye. So kind of, and then I just take the excess around. So now I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara to my lower lashes, and then we'll move on to the rest of the face. For blush, I'm going to go with something that's like a highlighter and a blush in one, because we have so much already going on that I just kind of want to keep it, and like keep it summery too. So this is kind of like a pinky highlight. This is a baked blush from Laura Geller in Pink Velvet Pop. Look what it looks like. It's very pretty. has a nice glow to it. I mean, if you stick more to the pink, then you'll get a lot more pink because the way that it is swirled together. Just gonna kind of blend it back. I've already contoured, so I've kind of already, you know, done half the face already. It's so pretty. Has that glow to it. On my lips. On my lips. I think I'm just gonna take my Essence gloss because it's just a gloss. So this is the Essence Shine 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 Wet Look gloss, and this is in the shade Flirt Alert. Flirt Alert. Uh-oh. The only thing about this is when you open it, it has like that string that can kind of go everywhere. But it smells really nice and feels really nice. And you can apply now I'm going to apply some Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. It's primer water, but I like it for setting spray as well. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this and it was helpful for you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new to see more videos such as this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Bye!